Hi, welcome to Mama Cooks Love. Today I'll be making super delicious lemon flan. This lemon flan was inspired by me living in Venezuela for 6.5 years and learning how they make the really delicious Venezuelan style flan, and me living in the Amalfi Coast and training as a chef and being madly in love with the big Amalfi Coast lemons. Voila! I'm so lucky I live in Southern California because right here in Venice, I can get those yummy lemons. You can use any lemon you have in hand. I would really say as long as it is organic, because you will be using the skin, you got a great lemon to work with. So when life gives you lemons, you can make really yummy sweet lemon flan and make everyone around you happy for the lemons. To make Mama Cooks Love lemon flan, we're gonna need 2 cans of sweet condensed milk, 2 cups of whole milk, 8 whole eggs, a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of sugar, without forgetting about the star of the day. We're gonna need the zest of a whole big lemon. If not, we're gonna need the zest of 2 nice medium lemons. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat up my oven to 375 degrees. I have my 3/4 cup of sugar and I am heating this pan. So here we go. It is on high heat. We're gonna make the caramel sauce. And this thing goes fast. It's really easy. In the beginning, I like to give it a little stir just to help it around, and then I just leave it. You let it be and it does its own thing. All what it is, I'm just melting the sugar and it's gonna harden. And once the sugar is hardened, we'll pour the milk and egg mixture on top. It smells so delicious, and caramel, sugar. I mean, it's hard not to keep a smile on when you're making caramel sauce and you're making lemon flan. Caramel sauce is done. There are a couple of hard pieces right here. They will end up melting with the heat, or I'll make them melt. So I like to start with my sweet condensed milk into the blender. Milk goes in, the lemon zest. I'm gonna peel this whole lemon and use that into the blender. All right. I want to teach you a little chef trick about breaking eggs. Don't break your eggs and put them all together in one bowl, because if you have one bad egg, it would ruin all the rest of the eggs. To this day, I still break my eggs separately. To my eggs, I'm adding a tablespoon of vanilla. Before I add my eggs to the blender, I really like to get the lemon super pureed. So, adding the eggs and the vanilla mixture. And now we're gonna have flan. Voila! Do you remember the yummy caramel? I'm gonna put it right here in this. It's meant, do you hear that? Do you hear that? I love that sound. That's the sound of the caramel breaking up because it's already hardened from the water. Into the pot it goes. Believe it or not, I wanna take it out. This just to ensure that when we invert it, it works. I don't know why, but it works every time when I do it that way. So now I'm gonna cover it with a piece of tin foil, really nice and tight, into the Bain Marie. And now into the oven, it's gonna go in, as I said, for an hour. And in 1 hour, we'll check on it. When I put a knife in it, the knife has to come out clean, just like when you bake a cake. Tomorrow, we'll invert it and we'll taste it together. All right, into the hot oven for an hour. It's been an hour and our lemon flan smells amazing. The house smells comforting, delicious. All right, so we're gonna go for an hour 15 because this guy is not done. See that? Not ready. It's perfect. It's been an hour and a half and it's perfect. Let me get it for you. Look at that. It's beautiful. Let me just start with jiggly. Flan should be jiggly. Oh, it's so good. It smells amazing. Let me show you what you're looking for here. See that? Clean. Going around the edges. I am all the way in. I could feel the bottom. That's it. That's all we're doing for it today. I'm gonna leave it on the stovetop to cool off for about 30 minutes to an hour. And then I'm gonna cover it back in the same tin foil that I use for cooking. We're gonna leave it in the fridge overnight and I will see you back tomorrow so we can invert the flan and taste it together. It's tomorrow. No TV magic. It's actually been in the fridge for 24 hours. And remember what we did yesterday? We went around it and did this really awesome thing to help it loosen up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Voila. I feel like it went down okay. Do not put this in the sink. Don't throw that away. I took just a little bit of lemon peel and I just thinly sliced it. And now, the moment of truth. I'm gonna taste this for you, okay? I'm not sacrificing anything. Oh my goodness. Yummy, delicious, velvety, creamy, lemony. It's caramely and it has that tad of like slight caramel bitterness, but not really. Oh my goodness, it's just so good. It's so perfectly balanced. I really hope you make it. Let me know how you like it. Leave a comment down there, subscribe, hit the notification button so you know when I release a good video. And from my heart to yours, love, light, and blessing with Mama Cooks Love.